Imagine drawing the perfect support line, only to watch price reverse a few points above it, or break below it, then immediately move back up. Was your line wrong? Not exactly. You were looking for precision, where the market only offers probability. Most beginners draw one thin line and expect price to respect it perfectly. But markets are machines. They're driven by thousands of buyers and sellers. That's why price usually reacts inside an area, not at a single exact level. Look at this support area. Notice how price touches it several times, but not at exactly the same price. Sometimes it reverses slightly above, sometimes slightly below. That's normal. The important thing isn't the exact number. It's the area where buyers repeatedly become active. Resistance works the same way. Sellers don't all act at one exact price. They begin selling across a range. That's why price often struggles inside a resistance zone. Before changing direction, let's move from the sketch to a real chart. If we draw a single line, some reactions appear to fail. But watch what happens when we widen that line into a zone. Suddenly, every reaction makes much more sense. Which support level would you choose? This thin line or this shaded zone? Make your choice. Then let's see why. It is zone. Support and resistance aren't exact prices. They're areas where the market repeatedly makes decisions. The next time you draw support or resistance, don't aim for precision. Look for repeated reactions. Think in zones, not lines. In the next episode, we'll learn how trends actually change using break of structure. Until then, read the chart, understand the story. Remember, indicators can help you make decisions, but price tells you the story.